So guys, here you can see it when more video at me came out with the machine learning. Like in the previous video I told you about, now two videos has been come of the machine learning, and here is one more video has been came out of the machine learning. Like in the previous video I told you about the vectors, and that video we learned many things with diagrams and with examples. So in today's video we learning about the tensors with coding example, with little bit coding example and little bit diagrams. Okay, so but do not forget to hit a like button and share friends and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new here, so please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future related videos. So without wasting your any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with Doping. So guys, here you can see one more video me came about the machine learning. And in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the tensors. If you don't know what are tensors in machine learning, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. Like in the previous video, we learned about the vectors. So in today's video, we learning about the tensors. So see the video starting, and your whole concept will be clear about it. What are tensors? A tensor is an n-dimensional matrix. What? A tensor is an n-dimensional matrix. Means that first, a scalar has zero-dimensional tensor. A vector has a one-dimensional tensor, and the matrix is two-dimensional tensor. Like in the previous video, I told you about vector. I make a video about the vector. You will go and see that video. A tensor is a generalization of vectors matrix to higher dimensions. Like this is one example. It is showing you. Let me highlight it. Here you can see it. Like matrix 1, vectors are here, and then matrix, and then tensors. Here you can see it. Tensors ranks. The number of directions a tensor can have in a n-dimensional space is called the rank of the tensors. The rank is denoted R. A scalar is a single number. What? A scalar is a single number. First, it has 0 axis. Now, it has a rank of 0. It is a zero-dimensional tensor, like that. Now, this I told you about the scalar. Now, a vector. A vector is an array of numbers. First, in the array of number, it has one axis. Number 2, it has rank of 1. Number 3, it is a one-dimensional tensor. Okay, like that. Number 3 is a matrix in a two-dimensional array. First, it has a 2 axis. The two-dimensional array has 2 axis. Number 2, it has a rank of 2. Number 3, it has a two-dimensional tensor. Okay, like that. Now, let me tell you some real tensors. What? Real tensors? What is the meaning of real tensors? Let me tell you. Technically, all of the above are tensors, but when we speak of tensors, we generally speak of matrix with a dimensional larger than 2 or greater than 2. Like this one diagram here, you can see this one cube. In this cube, we write alphabetically and the numeric and the letters. Okay, letters here written and the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, like that. Here you can see it. Linear algebra in JavaScript. In linear algebra, the most simple math object is a scalar. Where this one syntax of the scalar, here you can see it. In the linear algebra, if you see my linear algebra video, the most simple math object is scalar. This is one syntax, it is not an example. Okay. Another simple math object is the array. What? Array. This is one example of the array. One matrix are two-dimensional array. Okay, this one is a syntax. Here you can see it. In this syntax, there are two-dimensional arrays of the matrix like 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6, like that. Vector can be written as matrix with only one column. With which column? One column only. Like 3, then 2, then 1. This is only one column, like that. Vectors can be also be written as arrays. Okay, like an arrays, the vectors are also be written like that. Here you can see it. Tensors are n-dimensional arrays. What? Tensors are n-dimensional array like that. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9. JavaScript tensor operations. Programming tensor operations in JavaScript can easily become a spaghetti of loops. Okay. Using a JavaScript library will save you a lot of headache. One of the most common libraries to use for tensor operations is called TensorFlow.js. Like this is one example. It is one example of tensor addition. Let me copy it. Let me go here and let me open my Replit. It is opening now. Now when it has been opened, what can I do? I remove here one, okay, not here, I am going my Microsoft Edge, and here I are like Replit. When I open Replit, it should take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily. Yes, when it will be opened, I remove here from one file, and here I make one new file, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily as like that. Okay, now it not give you any such type of output, but for your explanation, I am only going here script. It not give you any output. If now let me run it from here, reload it. So now here you said not give me the any output like I have told you. So here you can see it. So but anyways, but in today's video our whole concept will be clear about it. So this one more example of the tensor subtraction. When you copy it, and this one code here you can see it. Let me copy it and let me paste it. It will also not give you any output. Okay, why? Because I not write that type of thing, it will give me the output. Here you can see it. But here in today's video we learn about what are in the machine learning, what are tensors. Like in the PA we learn about the matrix. So these three things we will cover: scalar, vector and matrix. But I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so in advance of future related videos. So I meet you next class and next video. I'm making that our video. So for today, goodbye.